Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of this DevOps project. So this is another sample project of the CI/CD pipelines. Those who have already joined my previous CI/CD pipelines, those might thinking about this new CI/CD pipeline. What is new about this CI/CD pipeline according to the previous one. So I want to say that in this CI/CD pipeline, I have added a few more stages in this pipelines, and yes, I have implemented the quality check of the code. Okay, so using the SonarQube, we will analyze the code, and using the OWASP, uh, we will check the security of project. So this two new tool I have implemented in this CI/CD pipelines. So here, using one sample GitHub project, that project I will fetch from the GitHub using the Jenkins. Then I will compile that code using the Maven, and then after compiling, I will analyze the that code using the SonarQube. Okay. Next, after analyzing, we will check using the OWASP. Okay, and then uh, create the create or build the project using the Maven. And after building that, I will create image using the Docker and push that image to the Docker hub. And after that, I will add one stage which will push to run another pipeline. Okay, that is the CD pipeline, which will create the container using the same image and publish the website. So this one is the Java project. You can use your Java project to create this type of CI/CD pipeline. So here I will use only one EC2. Okay, so my server requirement is one. Okay, and in that server I will install the Jenkins, Docker, and the SonarQube container. Okay, so here I will use the T2X large. Okay, T2X large instance I will use here for my this project. And our prerequisite would be the GitHub and the pre Linux knowledge, and Jenkins we will require the Docker and the Docker Hub account. These are the prerequisite of this project. And we will use the multiple we will use actually multiple plugins to execute our project. For this, we will use the Eclipse Temurin installer and the OpenJDK native plugin, because we will use the Java. Okay, and the SonarQube scanner will help us to scan our codes. Okay, which will give us the detailed report about the code health. And we'll use the pipeline stage view to get a perfect view of our code of our pipelines. O was a OWASP dependency check. We will use that which will check the dependency of our code. Then we'll use the Docker pipeline and the Docker build step plugins and cloud-based Docker build and publish, which will help us to create the image and push to the Docker hub. And we will use that image to build a container and publish. So these are the short description about the project. So we will start our hands-on in the next session. All right, so keep watching, and also if you like this video, kindly share it with your peers. So if it is helpful, okay, please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you everyone.